is on for 5 seconds again, and then because they're not the same. Red must stay longer, or green must stay long. Yellow must be a bit short. We can make it like 5 seconds, the others 10, 10, 10, 10. And then on the third one is green, which is on. Then you take the LED light, the red one first, put it here first. Then you must take the connectors, put it here.
On your own. Right?
No, we want them to trial the coding, not the building. We can see that they can build.
But coding?
Yes.
The
So
hard.
we'll send something with an instruction. So if everyone had a laptop with this app on it, then we'd be able to actually code.